Shri Krishna. Happy Sunday. And moon is in Moon Nakshatra, Hasta Nakshatra. So I'm going to be talking important information from BPHS, Brihat Parashara Hora Shastra by Maharishi Parashara. And the topic is going to be about the Mahadasha Lord strength. Okay, whoever is your Dasa Lord, the Mahadasha. The same thing you can also apply to Antardasa. All right, but Mahadasha specifically, all right. So the Lord's strength, it doesn't matter. Watch till the end as I'll break it down completely. And look at the header picture, you will also get your answer, okay, to take your notes. So first, the thumb rule is you always should break down your dasa, right? Before you go to break down your dasa lord, etc., break down your chart, whether you're a team A Lagna or a team B Lagna. This is the first thing you have to do. Okay. So the team A Lagnas, I say again, Aries, Cancer, Leo, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Pisces. And if you're a team B Lagna, Taurus, Gemini, Virgo, Libra, Capricorn, Aquarius, right? Ideally, you want to have team A ascendant correct sequence, right? If you're a team A ascendant, Aries, Cancer, Leo, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Pisces. Aries, Cancer, Leo, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Pisces. You want to have the right Mahadasha sequence. Sun, Moon, Mars, Rahu, Jupiter. And if you're a team B ascendant, you want to have the Taurus, Gemini, Virgo, Libra, Capricorn, Aquarius. You want to have the right Mahadasha sequence, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury, Ketu, Venus. This is the sequence, okay? And usually when I do Caesarean Muhurtas, right, Muhurta for people born in Caesarean during a time period, which I've done so many, I make sure to match with this sequence and the Lagna. So the Lagna moon position is very important. So you always want to get the right Mahadasha, the Mahadasha sequence, the age, etc., based on your ascendant. Now comes the $1 million question. If you are, okay, if you are a Cancer or a Leo ascendant, right, you don't want Saturn Mahadasha, technically. But what happens? Saturn is coming in the sequence in a way, right? After Jupiter, Saturn. You still want to be Saturn with strength, not direct strength, indirect strength. What does indirect mean? I'll probably explain it in another video. Not direct strength, indirectly, okay? And dignified when running the Mahadasha, right? Even though you don't want to have Saturn. Always remember this, the Mahadasha Lord is the captain. Antardasa Lord is the vice captain. The Lagna Lord himself will play like third fiddle after the Dasa Lord, Mahadasha and Antardasa. The Lagna Lord doesn't have a say much in front of the Mahadasha Lord. That is why the Mahadasha is the important thing. Of course, you want to have benefics in the Lagna strong, etc., right? That is all there. But all I'm saying is the Mahadasha Lord is the key. Okay. Now, what are the key determinants for determining the strength of the Mahadasha Lord? Okay. So we'll start breaking down. There are like 12 checkpoints. We'll start breaking down one by one. See what and all matches for you, for your Dasa. For Rahu, look at my video on 7 shades of Rahu. You will get it. Specifically for Rahu. Rahu is an exception here. Rahu, Ketu also will go there. These 2 planets, keep it aside. But look at all the other 7 planets. Okay. First is the strength of the depositor. And you can check at my image, header image, you will have the answer. Strength of the depositor. Okay. The strength of the depositor means whoever is the house owner where the Dasa Lord is running. Okay. That house owner, right, should not be 6, 8, 12 to the house. I'll give an example. Let me give an example. Let's take an example. If Venus, okay, is running the Mahadasha from Sagittarius, Rashi. Okay, Venus, whichever team it is. let's say team A or team B, doesn't matter. Venus is, of course, you always want Venus Mahadasha only for team B. You don't want for team A. But let's say it's coming. So Venus, house owner is Jupiter, right? Sagittarius is the house owner. So the house owner is Jupiter. Venus is running the dasa from Sagittarius. So that's a temporary line point, lagna point, temporary lagna kind of a thing. So you don't want Jupiter to be sitting 6th, 8th, 12th to Sagittarius house. So from 6th house, it means what happens? It will be Taurus. Exception, that could be Parivartana if Jupiter is sitting there. So 6th is out. 8th, you don't want Cancer, from Cancer, even though he'll be exalted. Okay? Exalted. 12th, Scorpio. The 6, 8, 12 positions are tricky, right? For Venus to run a Mahadasha. I'll give another example. Okay? Okay. Saturn running Mahadasha from Leo Rashi. You don't want Sun to be 6th, 8th, 12th to Leo. So 6th from Leo is Capricorn. So Saturn Sun Parivartana. 8th is in Pisces. Okay? You don't want Sun to be sitting in Pisces. 12th is Sun in Cancer. Okay? You don't want Sun to be in Cancer. Okay, so this is the fundamental rule. 6th, 8th, 12th, Bhavat Bhava. Same rule will come across all the board. I published a video earlier about best position of the 8th lord. 6th, 8th, 12th to the 8th house. It has to go because it's a difficult one. Okay, in this case, what I'm telling you that the house owner should not be 6, 8, 12. That's it. Okay, second, the planet nature. The planet nature, understand whether it's a natural benefic or a natural malefic. Natural benefics means you always want to have its strength. Exaltation, Mulatrikona own. But you have to see team A, team B again here. And malefics in Digbala. Digbala, like Sun gets Digbala on the 10th. Mars gets Digbala on the 10th, etc. Okay. Next, natural benefics, Trikona Kendra from Lagna. Natural malefics, 3, 6, 10, 11, friendly Rashis from Lagna. You always have to apply that sub-rules are there. Natural benefic, Kendra, Kendradipati dosha is a problem. So you also have to apply all those rules. But this is a general thumb rule. Third, planetary nature. Again, functional benefic, functional malefic. Functional benefic, Trikona Kendra from Lagna. Functional, again, you will have to apply whether they are natural benefic or not, etc. Functional malefics, 3, 6, 10, 11, friendly Rashis from Lagna. Okay. The fourth, the sevenfold strength of the Rashi placement. Exaltation, Mulatrikona, own house, friendly house, neutral, inimical, debilitation. Saturn, whatever it is, running a Mahadasha from Leo or Cancer, it's not great. Whatever Saturn done, Leo, Cancer, Aries, Scorpio also. The balance 8 Rashis, somewhat he will give you some good result. These 4 Rashis, it's a little challenging. Okay. That is what I'm saying about the sevenfold strength. Because this is all inimical. Cancer, Leo, Scorpio. And then Aries, Saturn running the Dasa, debilitation. Okay. All right. So here, right, even if Saturn is sitting in Aries running the Mahadasha, if Jupiter is conjunct, Jupiter is aspecting it, and from Kendras, from Saturn, there are planets lifting Saturn. That is good. That is indirect strength. That is indirect strength. Saturn debilitated running the Mahadasha. But the house owner is with strength. That is indirect strength. You see? And an example, if Saturn is sitting in let's take an example. I have to make sure I'll give it this correct. Okay. Saturn is sitting in, let's say, Pisces, running the Mahadasha. And the house owner, Jupiter, is with full strength in Cancer. Plus, he will aspect the 9th aspect on Saturn. Excellent. This is indirect strength also. which I will talk in my next video in a little bit more of it. Okay, so this is what you want to see about the sevenfold strength as well. The next fifth one is benefic, malefic Rashi placements dignification. Like Jupiter, like Saturn sitting in Pisces Rashi, benefic Rashi, dignification. Plus Jupiter in Cancer aspecting it, dignification. So Saturn is a malefic planet, 100%. So whatever said and done, you want Saturn to sit in a benefic Rashi, like Sagittarius, like Pisces, like Taurus. In Libra, he gets exalted. Gemini, Virgo, etc. Yeah? Okay. Next is benefic planets. Okay? Benefic planets conjunction. This is very, or aspect with Jupiter, Venus, full moon, Mercury, or moon with strength. Okay, if Jupiter is not conjunct with Saturn, but if Saturn is running the Mahadasha in Pisces and Jupiter is sitting in Cancer and aspecting it, excellent. Plus Jupiter, house owner also. Right, this result will give good. Now we'll have to see which houses he's placed with. Right, which houses he's placed 6, 8, 12. To the two houses it owns, Aquarius and Capricorn. So from Aquarius he's sitting second, from Capricorn he's sitting third. Right, so it's going to give you result of both the houses. It's going to give you, right? So that is important to see that, the Bhavat Bhavam rule. Okay, next is how many? 6th, 7th. Okay, Mahadasha Lord position to its 1 or 2 Rashis. Always the dual Adhipatyas, you must see how is he placed. Saturn in Pisces will give you both the house results because he's sitting second to one Rashi and third to another Rashi. Saturn sitting in Cancer, running the Mahadasha, will give you Capricorn results more than Aquarius, unless and until in Aquarius that is a planet sitting. Okay, I didn't tell you which ascendant, but Saturn running the Mahadasha, sitting in Cancer, will give you predominantly Capricorn results and not Aquarius. Plus, he's also aspecting the 7th aspect of Capricorn. He's sitting Shashtashtaka to Aquarius. If a planet is sitting in Aquarius, then it's different. Okay, so this is this important thing to check. Next, see always when Saturn is in Pisces running the Dasa, see all the Kendras, Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius. Always keep a check on Kendras. In Vedic astrology, there is something called Kendra Dibala, which is very important. Even the Kendras, whichever planet running the Dasa, look at all the Kendras to that planet. Okay, so this is very important. See whether it's benefic or malefic. Benefic planet means it will lift and more positive results will come in the Dasa. Malefic planets means it will lift, positive, and some negative results will also come depending on the malefic nature. Okay, check for the Mahalord Nakshatra. See the sequence I'm saying. Nakshatra is coming like last somewhere here. Friendly or inimical to the Lagna Lord. See which Nakshatra is sitting. For example, for a Cancer ascendant, Saturn sitting in Cancer in Lagna, in Pusha Nakshatra, his own Nakshatra, will do a lot of damage because it's the 7th and 8th Lord Nakshatra for a Cancer ascendant. And Saturn is the 7th and 8th Lord. Saturn sitting in Ashlesh Nakshatra for Cancer ascendant in Lagna is also a problem because Ashlesh is 3rd and 12th. Mercury Nakshatra. Okay, all right. Okay, next after Nakshatras, check for the planet sitting in the Mahadasha Lord's 3 Nakshatras. See if a planet sitting in Pushya, right? Pushya, Anuradha, or Uttarabhadrapada. Those planets all will be activated. You'll have to also see that. Check for the Mahadasha Lord Navamsha placement. Must be in a malefic Navamsha and must not be 6, 8, 12th in the Navamsha from the Rashi position, because people don't know how to read Navamsha today. People don't even know why is Navamsha important, why Rashi and Navamsha are together. They don't get it. Watch my videos on Navamsha and even the playlist you can see that. Okay. So if Saturn is sitting in Cancer, for example, right, in the Navamsha, he should be not 6, 8, 12th from Cancer. And he should be sitting in a benefic Navamsha, like Libra, which means he's moved 4 places from Cancer in the D1 to Navamsha. He's moved 4 places. Excellent. And it's a benefic Navamsha. That is how we have to see. You understand, right? That is how we have to see. Let's take an example. Saturn sitting in Cancer in T1 and he goes to Pisces Navamsha. He's moved 9 places and a benefic Navamsha. Excellent. That is how you have to see Navamsha. Watch my Navamsha videos. Already the playlist is there for Navamsha. Go and watch. Okay. And Navamsha is happiness, internal happiness. What you know, nobody else will know that. And the remedies, right, for BPHS will always be around Mahadasha and Antardasha. Always Mahadasha and Antardasha. Okay. So again, right, the Mahadasha Lordship strength is based on all these 12 parameters, starting from the strength of the depositor. That is the most important thing, the first most important thing, followed by planet, what is the planet nature? Karakatva, is it actually a natural benefic, natural malefic, functional benefic, functional malefic? How is he placed? All those things. Is he running from a Marka Dasa? Maraka, like Saturn for a Cancer ascendant is Maraka, right? Jupiter is for a Gemini ascendant, Kendra, Maraka, Pataka, all 3. So all those things you have to take. But again, check my header picture, the 12 points I would have mentioned. Break it down, see what you're running, you'll get your answer. I will also do a big video, a summary video on indirect strength. That is very important. Indirectly, how a planet should get strength. Okay? I hope this video is helpful. I know it's a lot of information. Watch the video 1 or 2 times or 3 times. Take your notes, understand it, break it down, synthesize it. It is hard for me to, do so many things and share so many things, but it is a complicated science. It's not an easy thing. Otherwise, everybody can be predicting left, right, and center. Yeah? Okay, I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, press the like button, share it with your friends and family. Do share your comments as well. Yeah, watch the video multiple times. Yeah, and do follow the channel as well. Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you.